In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most useful Tidio chatbots that you can use to start absolutely crushing your online sales. So if boosting your conversion rates by up to 20% while barely having to lift a finger sounds good to you, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. So the first example that I would like to introduce to everybody is arguably the most simple, but it's extremely handy nonetheless. And that's welcoming new visitors to your store. This does exactly as the name suggests. It will welcome any first-time visitors to your web store with a custom message of your choosing. Wait. Can we use a better example to showcase this one? That's what I'm talking about. So what are the benefits of setting up a custom welcome message? Well, it's always really comforting to be on the receiving end of a friendly welcome, especially if you're navigating uncharted waters. It's also comforting to know that there's somebody there you can turn to if you happen to get a little bit lost or a bit mixed up. Sending your visitors a first-time greeting gives them that sense of comfort, and it makes them feel a little bit less anxious about finding their way around the place. Now you can get a little bit more clever with this bot by setting up things such as a custom delay, or you can configure it to greet customers in multiple languages based on their country of residence. Now, greeting new visitors is a nice way to acquaint newcomers with you and what it is that you have to offer, but we can also set up a bot to greet returning visitors and start building customer loyalty in a variety of ways. One of which is to customize the greeting message to include the customer's name for that extra personal touch. Dude, seriously. Just remember that you need to collect your customer's details somehow. For that purpose, we would recommend the pre-chat survey. Now, another application of this bot might be sending any customers who are on the fence about making a purchase some kind of discount code, just to give them that extra little nudge towards conversion. Now, this next bot that I would like to introduce to you all is a bit of a game changer. Now, I'm sure that lots of online store owners out there get frustrated with customers loading up their shopping carts only to abandon them at the very last second. What if you could reach out to those customers and ask them why? Well, with this bot, you can. You can message a customer via the chat widget asking them the reason behind their abandonment. So this gives you the possibility to react and potentially resolve the customer's issue before they leave your store, allowing you to retrieve the cart and convert a sale. In the very worst case, you'll at least have the opportunity to gather some feedback from the customer and use that to improve the experience for any future customers who decide to visit your store. That's pretty groundbreaking if I do say so myself. Now, if you're all about the stats like we are, chances are you would have observed and noted down some of the most commonly asked questions that you get from your clients. And perhaps some of those questions are pretty straightforward and a bit are left to our chatbots to answer. That's where our FAQ bot comes in. Now, this bot needs to be configured using our automations ebook, and I've dropped a free download link in the description below. This bot will save you a ton of time and energy, and quite frankly, it just looks top-notch and professional when you see something like this on someone's store. Now, the selling point of live chat is self-evident in the name. It's live, but you can't reasonably be expected to sit at your workstation for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, can you? Sorry, let me rephrase that. You can't be expected to be consciously present at your workstation. However, it would be a shame if you would miss out on any leads or leave your customers upset because they need help with a problem but you're not around to answer. So that's where this next bot comes in. It gives you the ability to gather your customers' contact information so that you can follow up when you're free on any prospects or potential problems. So the pressure to always be around is a thing of the past. So there you have it, everybody. Those are the top 5 Tidio chatbots as chosen by us. Now, there are many more useful chatbots that are applicable for a great deal more scenarios that have not been mentioned here. So make sure to check out our free automation ebook in the description below for the full list. Also, drop us a comment below and let us know which chatbots are most useful for you, and hit that sub button if you'd like to be informed and notified about any future content videos. Catch you all next time.